Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something you might have heard before if you are into Japanese. The three main ways to apologize. Gomennasai, Sumimasen, and Moushiwake gozaimasen. But do you know the real differences between these? And when to use each one? Japanese apologies are not just about saying sorry. They are packed with cultural meaning around respect, relationships, and showing social awareness. Let's break down what each one really means and when to use them. Alright, let's start with Gomennasai. This one is casual way to apologize. Best used with friends, family, or people you know well. Gomennasai actually comes from the verb menzeru, which means to excuse or to forgive. Here's how it breaks down. Go adds a bit of politeness, like okairenasai, oshigoto. Same way, the go is added here for the politeness. Men means to forgive, and nasai is a polite request form, just like okairenasai, oyasuminasai. Same way we are saying gomennasai. So gomennasai becomes this direct, straightforward appeal for forgiveness. Okairenasai means you come back, and oyasuminasai means you take a rest. So in a similar way, we are directly asking for the forgiveness by saying gomennasai. It's like you forgive me. So it's really similar to saying I am sorry in English, and it's perfect for close informal settings. Like if you accidentally spill a friend's drink, you would say gomennasai. But here's a tip. Don't use gomennasai in formal situations. It can come across as too informal or even a bit rude if you are talking to a boss or a client. Now let's talk about Sumimasen. This one is super versatile and it actually goes beyond just apologizing. Sumimasen or Sumimasen comes from the verb sumu, meaning to finish or to be settled. When you say Sumimasen, you're kind of saying that your feelings are not settled. So it is as if you're saying, I feel unsettled about causing any inconvenience. So Sumimasen works both as an apology and as a way of saying thank you when someone goes out of their way to help you. For example, if you bump into someone on a crowded train, saying Sumimasen shows you're aware of the inconvenience. Or if someone goes out of their way to assist you, saying Sumimasen lets them know you appreciate it and feel a little guilty for the trouble. This duality makes Sumimasen really useful, especially in both casual and semi-formal situations. It's polite and versatile without being too stiff or formal. Finally, we have Moushiwake gozaimasen. This is most formal way to apologize in Japanese, and it is what you would use in serious or professional settings, especially when there is a clear hierarchy involved. The phrase comes from Moushiwake nai, which literally means there is no excuse. When you say Moushiwake gozaimasen, you're saying I have no excuse, which shows a deep sense of regret and humility. You're basically saying that you take this situation seriously without making any excuses for it. This is ideal for situations where respect and hierarchy matter, like apologizing to a client if a project is delayed. Saying Moushiwake gozaimasen to a client or boss shows that you acknowledge the impact of the mistake and are genuinely sorry. Alright, let's do a quick recap to help you choose the right apologies for each situation. Here's the breakdown. Gomennasai, casual, direct, and person. Use it with friends, family, or close relationships. Sumimasen, versatile and polite. It combines apology and gratitude. It's great for interactions with acquaintances or colleagues where you are showing social awareness. Moushiwake gozaimasen, the most formal apology reserved for hierarchical or professional situations. Use it when you need to show deep respect and humility. So if you're in Japan and bump into someone on the street, Sumimasen is a safe go-to. But if you are at work and need to apologize to a client, Moushiwake gozaimasen will show that you really mean it and respect their position. So there you have it. Apologies in Japanese are not just words. They are loaded with cultural meaning about respect, relationships, and social awareness. Understanding the difference between Gomennasai, Sumimasen, and Moushiwake gozaimasen can help you connect more deeply and respectfully in Japanese culture. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if there are other Japanese expressions you are curious about. Thanks for watching and どうもありがとうございました。